how to make money with Uber Eats on an e-bike without losing your mind. Everybody on YouTube says same thing. Bro, just get an Uber Eats bag and you'll be making £300 a day. Really? Because if making 300 was that easy, your local kebab shop and boss man would have a Ferrari parked outside. So today, I'm becoming an Uber Eats delivery rider. Not in a car, not on a motorbike, on my electric bike. DIY version. And by the end of today, we're going to answer the biggest questions everyone asks. How much does Uber Eats actually pay? Can you make a living, bro? What bike do you need? What mistakes do beginners make? And is this the easiest side hustle in Britain or the fastest way to become best friends with a local tire repair shop? Step 1. Sign up. Sounds easy. Until Uber asks for enough documents to make you feel like you're applying for the MI5 Secret Service. Driving license, background checks, insurance where required, identity checks, photos. Next, they will probably want my year 6 school report. You finally go online. Nothing happens. You wait. Still nothing happens. Now you're looking at your phone every 3 seconds. You know when you're waiting for that someone to text back, you know, hoochie mama and that. It's exactly like that, bro, except the person ghosting you is Uber Eats. Then your first order, heart rate instantly doubles. You accept it faster than someone clicking accept cookies. You gotta stop doing them things, bro. Don't accept everything. Here's mistake number 1. You riders think money, accept. Wrong. Every order isn't a good order. £5 sounds great until you realize it's going to take you 35 minutes, take you to the middle of nowhere and leave you cycling back empty. Congratulations, you played yourself. You've just earned approximately 14 pence per emotional breakdown. Emotional damage, bro. Restaurants, oh bro, these are like people. Some are brilliant. Some have absolutely no concept of time. It's like
5 minutes, mate. Please, mate. Just 5 minutes.
5 delivery rider minutes. It's somewhere between 5 minutes and waiting for GTA 6. Release the thing, Rockstar, please. The hub motor. This is why I love using an e-bike. Every traffic light green, every junction gone, every hill the motor says I got you, bro. Meanwhile, my legs are just sitting there pretending they did all the work. Honestly, hub motors deserve a pay rise. Your battery is your boss. You think you are in charge? You are not. The battery is. 100% you're fearless. 70% still smiling. 40% starting calculations. 20% suddenly every hill looks like Mount Everest. 10% you're riding smoother than your grandma carrying a birthday cake. The biggest enemy. People think it's rain. No, people think it's hills. No, it's waiting. Standing inside the restaurant watching other customers get their food while your order apparently still needs permission from Parliament, bro. You're earning absolutely nothing. The secret: experienced riders don't make more money because they are faster. They make more money because they waste less time. They know which restaurants are quick, which ones are hopeless, where customers order the most, when lunch starts, when dinner starts, when not to go. That's experience. Don't chase the big numbers, my guy. Everybody asks, can I make £300? Wrong question. Ask, how much can I make per hour? A £6 delivery completed in 15 minutes is better than £11 delivery that kidnaps you for an hour, my guy. Time is your real currency. Here's something funny. When the weather's beautiful, everybody wants to ride. Sun's out, bikes out. When it's absolutely chucking it down, customers suddenly become allergic to leaving the house. Which means someone still has to deliver the chicken, bro. Congratulations. That's us. That's you. Let's get it. Let's get this money, bro. Your bike is now a work colleague. Forget treating your e-bike like a toy. It's your employee. Feed it electricity, keep the tires pumped, replace the brake pads, listen for funny noises. Because when your bike calls in sick, so does your income. The truth about £300. Can someone make £300? Yes. Can everybody make £300? Definitely not. Can you make decent money with Uber Eats? If you work smart, choose the right hours, look after your bike, and stop accepting terrible orders, absolutely, my guy. Just don't expect the app to throw money at you because you downloaded it. After today, I realized something. This isn't really a cycling job. It's a decision-making job. The bike just happens to have 2 wheels. Every order is a business decision. Every mile costs something. Every minute matters, my guy. And every pound is earned.